Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 21st of February 2021. Taking a look here at Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the it should be the 3-week chart. All right, actually, I want to make sure that these are correct. Yes, they are. All right. Bitcoin on the 3-week chart. Not much of a big change from what we looked at last on the last 3-week candlestick. The new one here opened up on the 14th. So we've got another couple weeks left. It is below the Kijun-sen now. But as we're moving forward, notice that when we get to the beginning of March, there's a Kumo twist. So if it's still trading lower, still pushing this direction, then we could see a turn in direction very, very soon. Additionally, on the weekly chart, it's still within the cloud now. Over the last couple of weeks, it looked like there was going to be a nice bullish breakout, but that failed to develop. Instead, we've seen it push lower and back into testing Senko Span B as support. That is holding so far. And then the daily chart gives us a little bit more of a context of what's happening here. So from an Ichimoku perspective, it is slanted bearish, and it will be very bearish and likely into kind of not a capitulation zone, but into a sell-off zone if the lagging span closes below the bodies of these candlesticks, roughly at 36.6, 36.5K. One of the things you should take note of, though, is that the threshold needed for an ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout last week meant that it needed to close on the daily chart last week somewhere around that 50K zone. This wasn't really in the cards. But as we've transitioned into we got to the 16th, the 17th, 18th, and then especially on the 19th and the 20th, and today, you look at the top of the cloud, where's that? It's at 42.6K. And that is the level that Bitcoin needs to have a daily close at or above in order to confirm a new really nice big bullish extension phase. What's nice about this is that all of the other levels, so if Bitcoin does that, it has fulfilled all of the requirements for an ideal bullish breakout within the Ichimoku system. And that would propel it towards we can check just a rough estimate using a fib expansion. Yeah, it's around that 62K zone is where it would be projected to move up to and hit. So especially when you look at there's a pretty sizable gap between 44K and 48K. There could be a very, very fast drive up and through there, and then volume profile gets thin again between 50.6 and 54.25. There's several zones if prices move up that are likely to see some fast movement in the very near future. So something to keep an eye on. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.